Hi everybody, Josh from Riccar. We're going to talk about how to unclog your Riccar Spirit vacuum cleaner. Unfortunately, once in a while, we suck up things into our vacuum cleaner that we shouldn't have. It happens, everybody does it. It's part of the game of vacuuming, is sometimes vacuum up something you're not supposed to. This vacuum is great because it will tell you if you've done that. First of all, when I turn it on, I can hear this higher pitch, so I'll hear that when I'm using it, but if you don't know that tone, or if you're not familiar with it or you can't hear it, this light will come on. Okay? That's not normal. That light coming on is not what's supposed to happen unless it's obstructed, okay? In this case, this machine we have, it is clogged. So the light comes on telling us it's clogged. The first thing you want to do when you do that is check your path of debris. So the bag is right here. This port opens up right here. I can see right into the bag. I know right now that the clog is not right here. I can see that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just turn this, pull this out and test my hose. Notice there's no light on. There's good suction in the hose, so I know the problem's not in the hose. So I'll just next hook this up, turn this on. The light is back on. Now I know that clog is right there. I actually could see it sticking out the end. So it did make it past the floor up into the wand and got stuck. Now I know if I test this again, I can turn it on. If there's no light on, I've cleaned out the air path and you can go back to vacuuming. No light, we're good to go. Okay, now if it was still on, you'd want to keep going down the air path until you found where the obstruction was. Really easy to trace the air path on this machine and clean out any possible obstructions that might hinder your vacuum's cleaning performance. We know that the air path is clean. Just in case, I want to show you how to access that last little air path here, okay? In that case, we are going to have to take off this base plate. It's one screw, Phillips screwdriver. Pull off this plate. Once you have the plate off, you can see that the air path and the debris goes up through this tube and all the way to the bag. This one's actually clear. So you can see right here, if there's any debris or anything stuck in that, you'd be able to see it. And then you could take off this screw if you needed to and clean that out. This disconnects, the hose disconnects there. You would actually be able to reach or see all the way through that, see light through that, and see if it was obstructed as well. So it's really easy to access the entire air path of this from where it goes from the nozzle to the bag and unclog your vacuum cleaner. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, log into our website for more tips and tricks on how to maintain and take care of your vacuum cleaner.